Are you tired of overpriced drones that don't deliver? Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or just someone who wants to experience the thrill of flying without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best budget drones for 2025, offering 4K cameras, GPS features, and impressive flight times, all at affordable prices. And trust me, there's one model on this list that delivers way more than you'd expect for the price. You can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Mach-Vu Beginner Drone. The Mach-Vu Beginner Drone is an excellent entry-level drone designed for those new to aerial photography and drone flying. It features a lightweight and durable build, making it easy to carry and handle. The drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera that captures clear and stable footage, perfect for beginners who want to explore aerial photography without breaking the bank. With its one-key takeoff and landing function, even novice users can operate it with ease. The Mach-Vu drone also includes altitude hold, which ensures stable hovering for better photo and video quality. Its 3D flips and rolls add a fun element to flying, making it a great choice for kids and hobbyists. The drone has a flight time of approximately 10-12 minutes per battery charge, and it comes with 2 modular batteries for extended playtime. The remote control is user-friendly, with a range of up to 100 meters, allowing for smooth navigation. Additionally, the drone features headless mode, which simplifies orientation control, and a low battery alarm for safety. The Mach-Vu Beginner Drone is ideal for outdoor use, and its compact design makes it easy to transport. Whether you're capturing family moments or exploring scenic landscapes, this drone offers great value for its price. Number 4. Holystone HS-175D. The Holystone HS-175D is a mid-range GPS drone that combines advanced features with user-friendly controls, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. It boasts a 2K FHD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens, allowing you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. The drone's GPS-assisted flight ensures precise positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality, which is a lifesaver if the drone goes out of range or loses signal. With a flight time of up to 23 minutes, the HS-175D offers ample time to explore and capture footage. The drone also features Follow Me Mode, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Flight, enabling creative and dynamic shots. Its brushless motors provide quieter operation and increased durability compared to brushed motors. The Holystone HS-175D is foldable, making it highly portable for travel and outdoor adventures. The remote control is intuitive, with a built-in phone holder for real-time viewing via the Holystone app. The drone's altitude hold function ensures stable hovering, even in windy conditions, while its optical flow positioning enhances indoor flight stability. Whether you're documenting a road trip, capturing scenic landscapes, or simply enjoying a day at the park, the HS-175D delivers reliable performance. Number 3. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is a compact and lightweight drone that packs a punch with its 4K video recording capabilities. Weighing just under 249 grams, it falls under the category of drones that do not require registration in many countries, making it a convenient choice for travelers. Despite its small size, the Mini 4K delivers impressive image quality with its 1 and 2.3-inch CMOS sensor and 12 megapixel photos. The drone features a 3-axis motorized gimbal that ensures smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes, you can capture extended footage without frequent battery changes. The DJI Fly app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the drone, adjusting camera settings, and accessing intelligent flight modes like Quick Shots, which include Droney, Circle, and Helix. The Mini 4K also offers GPS and GLONASS positioning for precise navigation and return-to-home functionality. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and the included propeller guards enhance safety during indoor flights. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or hobbyist, the DJI Mini 4K is a versatile and powerful tool for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Number 2. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a cutting-edge drone designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand top-tier performance and advanced features. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 20 megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 60 FPS, delivering stunning clarity and detail. The drone's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system ensures safe and reliable flight, even in complex environments. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Neo allows for extended shooting sessions. The drone's advanced tracking capabilities, including ActiveTrack 5.0, enable it to follow subjects with precision, making it ideal for action shots and dynamic footage. The DJI Neo also supports Master Shots, an intelligent feature that automatically generates professional quality videos with just a tap. Its O3 Plus transmission system provides a stable and long-range connection, even in areas with interference. The drone's compact and foldable design makes it easy to transport, while its robust build ensures durability. Whether you're filming a cinematic masterpiece or capturing fast-paced action, the DJI Neo delivers exceptional performance. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is a revolutionary drone that combines portability with professional-grade features, making it a favorite among content creators and travelers. It features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 48 megapixel photos and 4K video at 60 FPS, ensuring exceptional image quality. The drone's 3-axis gimbal provides unmatched stability, even in challenging conditions. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, the DJI Flip allows for extended shooting sessions without frequent battery changes. The drone's compact and foldable design makes it incredibly portable, while its lightweight construction ensures compliance with regulations in many countries. The DJI Fly app offers intuitive controls and access to intelligent flight modes like Quick Shots, which include Rocket, Droney, and Circle. The DJI Flip also features advanced obstacle sensing and avoidance, ensuring safe and reliable flight. Its OcuSync 3.0 transmission system provides a stable and long-range connection, even in areas with interference. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or documenting your travels, the DJI Flip delivers outstanding performance.